What's up, you guys? This is Raise the Beast, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take your entire PSP 1001 apart. So the items that you'll be needing is one of these 8-piece precision screwdrivers. You really don't need 8, but I don't know, I would recommend getting a nice little set like this. You'll be needing a knife, a magnifying glass, and a towel. So first thing you want to do is lay out your towel. I used pink so I can see all the parts. Very nice. You can use white or whatever. Don't use any dark colors. Try to use very bright colors so you can see your little parts, because PSP does contain a lot of small parts. Alright, so now first thing you want to do to your PSP, I just want to show you guys the housing that I will be putting on my PSP. It's chrome. So first thing you want to do is you want to take out everything, or take everything out of your PSP. Your memory stick, set it aside. The battery door, won't be needing that, and your battery. Alright, so I won't be using a Phillips, but I'll be using a flat, let's see here, 1.5 mm, or you can go smaller, but this works better for me. So there are a couple of screws on the back. Not a couple, but there's like 5 or 4. So here's one. Here's the other one. Here's one right there. One right there. One behind the warranty sticker. I already took mine off, as you can see. If you take your warranty sticker off, your warranty will be void. There's one right there, and there's the final one right there. And that's the back. And then there's one right on the bottom. Okay. So for your screws, I would recommend using some kind of bottle cap to hold all your screws in. They are not all the same, so if you want to use different bottle caps for each screw, I would recommend that. But I'm a pro at this, and I know where each screw goes, so I'm just gonna put them all in the same deal here. So I just took the bottom one off, and I'm gonna start over here. You gotta really push in and get that, because you really don't want to strip those screws. If you do, then you're not taking your PSP apart. You gotta be very patient with this. Just take your time, and there it is. And try to get some of these screwdrivers that are magnetic, so that screw can stay attached to the screwdriver. Alright, now for the back behind the battery, these 4. Oops, these 4. And those are all the screws there. So your faceplate should be starting to come off easily from the bottom. You just want to from the bottom and then boom, just like that. And then you're gonna get something like this. So now the next thing you want to do is you grab your knife, and then you have like this strip right here where the home buttons and volume buttons in it, etc. So let's see, right here is like a little deal there. So what you want to go do is get under that and just push up, and that should come off like that. And then you should get something like this. All you want to do is open this little door up that holds the ribbon in. Hold on here, I'm gonna have to get a knife for this. Oh, I already opened it. And then you just take it off. Very simple. Set it aside. And now, the scary part about this entire thing is your LCD. You don't want to break this LCD. If you do, then you're gonna have to spend another 30 bucks purchasing LCD. And the PSP 1000 LCDs aren't that expensive. They're very cheap, but you get be very careful not to break it. So I would recommend getting a knife like this, very nice, skinny and sharp. Alright, so you're looking at this, you're like, okay, how do I take this off? There's like a metal frame around the LCD. So there is a small slot on the side. I'm sorry about that. You want to just get in there. Nope. Oh yeah, make sure you take these left and right triggers off. They just come off like that. So alright, so what you want to do is just I want to be very careful not to break this. And then you just very nice and gentle pry it. Once you get that going, get the very top. And take your time, don't rush, because this is a scary part here. You don't want to break the LCD whatsoever, because if you do, you'll just screw yourself over. I'm shaking, I can't stop shaking. Alright, let's not get the top, let's just get the bottom here. Get the other side, bottom part. And just pry that like that. Okay, and then you should see getting something like that to open up, you know. And then you get the top. Be very gentle. Try to stick it in there as far as possible, and then pry it, and then boom. Once you get that, you're free. And then you should open up like this. Get something like that. Now there's two doors here. There's one right there, and there's one right there. I want to get the very first one, or you can get either one, but I'm gonna get the very small one here. And just push that up. And then the other one, and then yeah, the ribbon should go like that. Then the other one is right here. Push that open, and your LCD should come off very easily. There it is. And try not to get any fingerprints in here. I already got one there. And if you do get any fingerprints, you want to use a cloth like this, something like this, to use for your glasses, so you won't scratch up the LCD. Yeah, so keep it here so it won't get any dust in it, you know. Alright, so now you got this crazy deal here. So which I will be doing part 2 of this video. This was part 1. Please watch all the parts of each video so you can get a very good sense of what you got to do. So please watch part 2. Thanks for watching.